I haven't uploaded in a long time, almost a year, and here's the reason why. So almost a year ago at this time, the southeastern region where I'm kind of at in the United States was affected by a lot of hurricanes and tropical storms, which led to flooding, and my neighborhood was affected by that. My house flooded, and I just kind of put the car to the wayside. Like anything car related, I just was like, I'm not worried about this. I need to get my house figured out, and so I kind of just been doing that over the past year, focusing on that, and obviously I have just my regular life obligations, so I had to tend to that. But without saying a whole lot, I am almost done with the house, and I'm very happy how it came out, and glad to have that behind me and be done with. So while I have been working on the house, I have also been doing things here and there on the car. Obviously, it's a learning curve, and I've never done this before, so it's taking me a little bit longer than I wanted to, but that's okay. It's all part of the game, right? So I fixed one area that was really bad. Underneath the brake booster, part of my frame rail was just toast. So I had to cut that out, and I learned a lot doing that. And now that's done. Now I'm working on the rocker panels, kind of in the rear of the car. I already started welding that in, so I'm gonna make more videos about that. I've ordered a lot of parts for the engine build, a lot of OEM parts. I dropped off my head and my block at the machinist slash engine builder. So they've had it for about 2 months now, and they are working on it. I expect to hear from them soon and pick it up soon. Another thing I plan on doing is for the next 12 days, I'm off of work. I'm kind of on a vacation. So I think that's going to be a good time to do a 30-day video challenge. I've been thinking about doing this for a very long time, and it's going to do a few things for me. One is going to get me back into recording for YouTube and uploading to YouTube. And doing it every day will force me to, essentially I'm going to get more reps and more sets, and I'm just going to get back into my regular swing of things. Because initially I was uploading once a week, and this should help me out. Just being more consistent and kind of over the next 30 days is like I plan on just really going hard. Pause. Really going hard on the car and just working on it a lot, because I have to speed things up. I want to get things moving. I would like to at least have an engine in the engine bay with a painted car. So that's really it. I mean, I haven't done a whole lot, but like I said, over the next 30 days, I plan on just doing a lot, and I plan to record it all and upload it onto YouTube for everybody to see. Like, I'm excited. So it might not look like it, but I am excited. So comment, like I said, and yeah.